Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch eyeliner. First, select a good quality sketch eyeliner for precise lines. Make sure your eyelids are completely clean and dry before you begin. Applying an eyelid primer can help your eyeliner last all day. Also, have some cotton swabs and makeup remover handy for any quick fixes. Now, let's create the basic line. Begin by making tiny dashes right along your upper lash line, from the inner corner outwards. Then, carefully connect these dashes to form one continuous, smooth line. Remember to keep the line thinner towards the inner corner, gradually building thickness as you move outwards. Use gentle, steady pressure for the best results. For a classic winged look, start by drawing a small, diagonal line extending from your lower lash line towards the tail of your eyebrow. Next, connect the very tip of this new line back to the middle of your upper lash line. Carefully fill in the outline you've created to form a solid, sharp wing. Take your time to ensure both wings are as symmetrical as possible. To finish up, use a cotton swab with a tiny bit of makeup remover to clean any smudges or refine your lines. A setting spray can help lock your eyeliner in place for up to 12 hours. Don't forget to apply mascara to really make your eyes pop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting to find what works best for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.